What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I start, talking, explaining, describing, reviewing, all that good stuff, I just want to request that everyone who's watching likes, comments, shares, and subscribes, as we need to get the numbers up ASAP. So just share it with your friends, put a like on, that helps the channel, subscribe, that helps the channel, and share so your friends watch or whatever. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, Bebo, High Five, LinkedIn, everyone. Send it everywhere. We need this to go the global. But yeah, this is actually mad because it's my first ever raffle win in my life. And what's funny is it's my first ever Yeezy raffle that I've entered myself. I don't remember really entering any other Yeezy raffles ever. This was just for a laugh, to be honest. And I got them. It said you've confirmed they're gonna be shipped, and then literally I won it yesterday. They came today, so a day after. If I upload this later, then don't kill me for that. But yeah, so it's not my first ever Adidas unboxing. I am a Adidas fan. I'm a bigger Nike fan, but Adidas, apparel, stuff like that, I'm an Adidas guy for that at the moment. So tracksuits and stuff. There will be loads of Adidas unboxings, reviews, whatever on my channel. But this is my first ever Yeezy unboxing. That's what we're gonna call it. And it's my first ever Adidas footwear unboxing directly from Adidas. Let's just make it easy and say Adidas Yeezy. We'll open it from this side. This better give me the nice, like Nike does. Ooh, yeah, that was a nice rip or whatever. I can see the invoice, so let me just take that out. And the returns label as well. Okay, so I've taken that out. So I've opened a brown cardboard box, and there's another cardboard box in there. So let's get rid of that one. Brown cardboard box that says the words slide. I like this because it's like minimalistic. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It is my first ever Yeezy, pick up, whatever. Hopefully I can get some more Yeezys in the future, so I get to see more. So plain old side, plain bottom, just the Adidas, the sportswear logo, not even the originals logo. Let me just, Yeezy slide made by Adidas. A little, it looks like it just comes out. Let me just look at the size tag quickly. So Yeezy slide, UK 7. These are called the Ochre or Ochre. Oh man, I'm acting like English is not even my first language. Made in China. Random barcodes and stuff. They are a size 7, and if you're a regular viewer, you'll know size 7 is not my size. Again, this was for the bants, but they will be given to a friend who's actually size 7. So this was just literally for a laugh to see if I'll ever win a raffle. Oh, I don't want to break that apart. So yep, got the nice, kind of wardrobe vibe. Pull it straight out, and it just, it looks like it just stops there, so it doesn't come the whole way out, or does it? Nah, we won't force that. So normally these things would be like on the trainers. Here they're just separate. So it says Adidas Yeezy slide, size 7, all the sizing, etc. And it says whatever the synthetic, blah blah blah, and all the boring stuff, to be honest. Wrapped separately, like when you go to Subway and you ask for your footlong to be wrapped separately. Oh, it's not even wrapped separately, it's just wrapped. What the hell? these. What is going on here? These are ridiculous. Oh my god. What is going? No, they look. This is my first ever time seeing them in person. Yeah, and these are terrible. Oh, wait. Let me put the paper away, man. What? This is what the world's going crazy over. Oh my days. What? Just before just so I don't get sued or anything like that, yeah. This is just a all opinion review, yeah. I just want to ask what these are, and I want to know why people are going crazy over them. Like, look, this it looks like it's broken or it's messed up. Look, the colors is different. Like, what is going on? Even on the inside, look, like it looks like something was spilled on them. Even there, what is what are these? Not gonna lie, they feel quite soft. I'll give you that. If you use these for like the shower, as long as that's like a non-slip, yeah. Okay, fair enough. You can wear these to the shower, yeah. But oh my day, is this what people are reselling and people are going crazy over? Oh my, this is just one piece. I like that it's one piece, whatever, yeah. Oh, it says in there. It says something in there. I don't know if the camera can see it. It says Yeezy. Then it says made in China 7 US. And then in there's actually a size tag. So if these were fake here, you wouldn't even be able to tell, would you? Like, how would you tell raw and fake of these? Because maybe the fakes are exactly the same. You can't even say by the material. You don't even know what they are. Is it all one material? Some bits feel softer. Some feels... I don't know what's going on here, people, man. This is some cartoon stuff. I'm lost for words in this review. Like, what do I say, man? Oh my days. This is... To me, personally, I would never, ever wear these. Oh my. Send me them for free. And I might wear them in the shower or something. Maybe, if I feel it. These are... And the retail was £50. £50 for this. Come on, people, man. I thought we had better fashion sense than this. I'll spend £10 on Nike sliders, and in my humble opinion, they look better than this. What is going on here, though? That's like the color couldn't even be one color. It's different colors. Look, it looks dirty or messed up, or it looks like something's been spilled on it, or you know when things leave marks and stuff. I don't know what's going on, man. Oh my days! This is what people are reselling, and this is what the world is going crazy over. I think it's safe to say that we have seen the signs of the end. Oh my. Yeah, so it's just like I don't even want to carry on reviewing them, I'm not even gonna lie, man. It says Yeezy in there, made in China, 7 US, size tag in there. I think even the size tag is a sticker that comes off. And it's already coming off. That is amazing. That is amazing. And is the Adidas, the other logo. It doesn't even look centered to me properly. What is going on? Yeah, it's a bit off center. Personally, I think so. It should be a little bit more to this, but I don't know, man. The bottom is plain. It's even got like a round thing there. I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, they both have them, so I don't know. 50 Great British pounds for these. I swear down, I'd rather eat Subway for 5 days in a row. But this is my own humble opinion, innit? Maybe other people like these. I don't know. Ochre Yeezy slides. This is an honest review. It's just my opinion. But I won't wear them. Yeah, no. No comment, people, man. As always, there will be on for review to follow. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And take care, people.